Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are here with the Sephora play for March. I got my backs super late this month and I was so bummed because it seems like it's always come late, but this month it told me it was gonna be here on like a specific date and then it was like several days later. So it is gonna be my last Sephora play unboxing though for now. So if you want to see what I got in my bag, then stay tuned and let's open it on up. First, we have Sephora Matte Perfection Powder Foundation. Never used a powder foundation, so I'm kind of excited to try this out. Main Stage Matte Sephora Collection, a buildable powder foundation with a creamy texture and natural matte finish. And this looks like my color because I am very fair, so I think I could use this. So I'm excited. Let's see. Oh, it's very creamy. It's very like silky on the skin. So, I mean, I'm not even sure if my camera's picking that up, but it is very silky on the skin. And I'm excited to try this out actually because it feels really silky and pretty. So that's the first item. The next item is Verb Ghost Oil Frizz Defying Hair Oil. Ooh, it smells really good. I've got a little flyaway, so we'll see. Dude. Okay. I mean, I only put a little bit in my hands and not bad. It smells good. It's very light. It's a nice little sample size. Let's go ahead and see what's next in our bag. The next item is, this is by Lancome. And this is a double duty face cleanser and makeup remover. Oh, it smells very like a light, nice fragrance. So I'm excited to try this out. So far, I'm not upset. I'm just kind of over the way they come so late in the month. The next item is by Murad, and it is Visible Perfecting Shield Broad Spectrum SPF 30. It's actually a sunscreen primer combo. So that's cool. So I'll see how these go because I've seen some that are kind of like make your skin oily. So I would love to try this out. I'm gonna put a little bit. Oh, okay. So it's nice and, oh, it's not oily at all. Smooth primer. There's not really much fragrance to it. It's like a little bit of citrus, but that's it. But it feels very smooth. So I'm excited to try this out. My skin feels very smooth where I applied it. So I'm excited to try that out. So we will see. We will see about this one. The next Sephora play that we have is by Buxom Plump Line Lip Liner. So I'm excited about this. I'm excited about everything, I guess. Lumpy lip lining pencil in warm cinnamon pink shade with a matte finish. Well, I already have a little something something, but just for video's sake, we'll go ahead and pull that off. Ooh, I like it. And then it has like a little brush. Oh my gosh, this is really pretty. Like, I like it. And it's got a little like lipstick brush to smooth it in. I like it though. It doesn't feel very sticky. It's nice. I like the color and it kind of goes with my little headband. So hey, that worked out. So this is the Pump and Define Lip Liner by Buxom, and I'm actually super excited about this one. I really am. I know I've been saying that. This month's bonus in Sephora Play, like I told you, you get 5 items and then you usually get a bonus, is a hair sheet. So I'm not sure, I've never tried this before, but it's anti-frizz hair sheet. So it's supposed to be like something you put in your purse or your whatever, your bag, backpack, whatever, and then you can put it in your hair to give it a little like and like take down all the frizz. So excited to try this out, but obviously it's a one-time use. But it's just a bonus. Thanks guys for joining me again today. If you like this video, then please like this video and don't forget to subscribe down below. Till next time guys.